This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials: an active Shein account, good photos, and a payout method. Once done, check the app's review invite or product sampling sections and opt in immediately. Timing matters because invites fill fast. Make sure to set PayPal or the supported payout in your profile so you can receive money. This avoids delays later. While opting in, take quick notes about target sizes, color options, and shipping windows so you know what to test when the item arrives. Once the item arrives, systematically test it. Try on, wash, and use for a few days to assess durability and fit. This gives credibility. Record 3-5 sharp photos and a short 10-30-second video showing movement and true color, because visual proof increases acceptance and pay. Then write a focused, honest review of roughly 150-300 words that explains fit, material, and value versus similar items. Make sure to emphasize unique details and include measurements when possible to help buyers and satisfy Shein's quality checks. You submit the review following the invite's exact requirements, tags, photo counts, and any mandatory phrases, because failing to match guidelines causes rejections. After submission, monitor the app's review status and confirm payout once approved. Payouts usually follow the timeline in the invite. If your review is rejected, don't panic. Check the reason, edit to fix missing items, or reapply with corrected assets. Keep screenshots and timestamps of shipments and submissions to continue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.